Oh, Chrome, you're so buggy. um, Walkout early stream. Yeah, I'm still off work. I go back to work on Monday. But this one's interesting. I might run if this is works today. Tonight might be an all night stream without me. Um, so let's see here. What am I looking for now? Oh, I need to set up my days off in retail management. Yeah, I hear that. How's that going, dude? Is everything well? Did you have a good New Year's? So last night, I mean, I didn't stream last night. I was a little bit head down on this and too tired. Um, but last night I wrote my own chat bot as well, which was pretty easy. I thought it was gonna be more difficult. So we'll take a look at that. All right. So I'm gonna be replacing my previous chat bot. Walker says all good. I love the busy times. Good New Year's, quiet. Yeah, same here. It's a big thing in Scotland, although I ain't a big fan of New Year's Eve. I see. Cool. All right. So there's that. So here is my stream box. So you're gonna see this hall mirrors type thing. Um, here's my chat bot. All right, so there will be a lot of spam in the chat, but that's just because we're figuring out. All right, so let's see here. It should just work. If I remember last night. Let me see where we're at. We are in. So chatbot's enabled. So I'm gonna say join game. Boom. Walcott, can you type join game with exclamation point in front? 'Too late. It's okay. So launch failed. Let's see what happens. That's one thing that's not. I want you to type in join game with an exclamation point in front of it. But hold on, before you do that, let me change something. 5 spam kind of sucks. I'm gonna do 3 spam. Okay. What's up, Legend? How you doing? Over on YouTube, Legends here. Sorry. All right. Hold on. All right, let's just try it. Let me restart the chat bot. All right, we're in. All right, join game. Go ahead and join game if you can, Walcott. Oh, that needs to be all exclamation points. Are you gonna see like a bunch of things going on at once? Because my stream box is streaming it, and I have it set up to show it. I don't hear audio on my side. I don't hear audio on my side. No audio. Okay, I'll have to fix that. Come on, somebody win. Oh, it crashed. Crashed. That's crashed. Oh, I changed some damage stuff and some states. So let me debug that here. Uh, all right. So that was sweet. Yeah, it's so I just let me fix this here real quick. I'm gonna fudge some stuff over here. All right, hold on. Let's keep redstone over here. That F5. I'll let loose on Game Pass. Oh, nice, dude. You should, if you haven't played it, play it, dude. Play with friends. Highly not needed, recommended. So you guys discover how it works together. So many spam calls today. Off. Okay, so weapon, blaster, stats. Oh, I did enumerate here. That's the bug. All right, get weapon stats. We are in game stats. We're being called from right here. If weapon stats. Weapon stats is none. Shoot. Oh, weapon stats array. We're saying here if the weapon name is equal. Oh, okay. So what is this? Weapon name, blaster. Do you have a typo? What's going on? Oh wait, we have an empty one. How do we have an empty? We've appended stats 0 0. Interesting. I have a bug. Okay, so COD back catalog on Game Pass soon. I have no idea what's going on with any of the Game Pass stuff, so sorry. All right, so append. That's the only thing was that. So we go in here, weapon, stats, if that's equal. All right, so hold on. Let's just do one. The very first one. Restart. Mox Xbox, Mike Xbox, Series X Stream one. Probably GTA 6. I don't have a Xbox Series X. So length is 0. Cool. So we have nothing. It's none. Sweet. Or at, oh, what's that weapon? Blaster. So we're good. So we're length of 1 now. That's good. Cool. Self. Self is. Ooh, I think self is messed up here. Where do we come from? Get weapon stats. Add. Kill. Okay, I think I see the issue. Game stats. Oh no, that's not per player. That should be player stats, player game stats. More excited if they do a new Red Dead Redemption. That game was the last one, you know, it was way too long. The epilogue, I was 8 hours into the epilogue and I just gave up. Could not keep going. Could not keep battling the horse navigating the world. Totally not annoyed. All right, so self is what in here? I think that's the bug. It is. Oh wait, self that, but self that owner. I guess we don't need an owner. I should put an owner, but it looks incredible. Yeah, the previous one did look really good. Stats. I mean, okay. Then we're in here again because they probably shot each other. Oh wait, this is an array. Wait a minute. How did that become an array? Why did stats become an array? Hold on. Gotta restart again. All right, so weapon stats is none. Okay, so weapon stats here is not an array. Okay, that's correct. And then what happens to you? Let's do this. This is the only place. Wait, does weapon get past me? No. Where are you getting called from? Add damage. I know. Okay. How are you? What the? I have a bug here. Where? I'm blinking on this bug. Let's make sure again. We're gonna do this, this. Okay. And weapon stats right now is not an array. Okay. So maybe this enumerate's actually having issues. Hmm. Python example. I don't want to log in. All right. Well, let's see what happens. Okay. So added damage now. All right. So we're back in here. That weapon stats array 0. So this should go on to the next one. Weapon stats. Not an array. Now it's still not an array. But once we get in here, it is an array. So self and yeah. So what's going on with this enumerate? I'm just gonna do this. Maybe I don't need to enumerate. Let's do this. Stats. I'm just gonna get rid of enumerate. I don't know why enumerate's adding it. Like it's creating an array. Wrong one. So how this is going to work, I'm going to try and get this working. I only got like a couple hours. But I have to eat lunch, but I'm just going to make some pizza or something. What's up, Scopes? How you doing? What's up, Zephyr? Yeah, you haven't been here before. Yeah, I'm doing well. How about you? Hopefully you had a good New Year's. But Walcott, so there's going to be pickups, basically like old school deathmatch, right? And then the pickups will be other weapons, and you'll be able to use it. What are we cooking right now? I'm making a little game for chat to play. And then Walcott, then you're going to get 3 different skill points. Sorry, you're going to have 10 points total, something like that. And you can apply them to 3 different attributes. Oh, that's what I should call them, attributes. I was thinking like I had it as stats, but I'm going to call it attributes. And these attributes will entice your character to do different things. So I got mobility, accuracy, and awareness. All right. So, okay. So we're good here. Now let's go to the stats one. That's stats. Stats. You better be good. Okay. So we're good now. You like the idea? Sounds fun. Nice. Very cool. Yeah. So what's going to be cool is like while I'm playing games and stuff, this can pop up anytime. Anybody can just type in join game and it'll just like work. And I'll just start a session. Okay. So this looks like it's good now. Let's make sure. So I won. The last. Oh, I gotta wait for it to quit. How many channel points for sweet? Hey, a billion. Oh my gosh! Come on. Oh, I don't have an exit, do I? Actually, I can't get that stuff very easily right now. We don't just have like a merch shop, you know. Mike DX. That's right. Of course, I'm gonna have some extra. I'm gonna have more than 10 points. I gotta fix some engagement distance stuff and make it so they don't try shooting through walls. Oh, headshot. I'm not gonna do localized damage. That looked like a headshot. Fix the sorting issue. All right, so that finished. Game history, last game. The last game, stored a date and time, person. I got 1 kill. He's got 0 kills. He did 90 damage. I did 120 damage. This looks good. All right. All right, so let me copy this over. Chat game. Copy over my scripts over into the stream. There we go. All right. So my chat bot's still up. So join game. I'm already queued. Okay, so hold on. There's a bug. I gotta stop this and restart it. I'm not sure how to delete a global object himself. How do I do that? So delete self. Python. How to make a global object none within. Is anybody on here a Python expert? Object none within. Zephyr says just basic, Mike, nothing crazy. Okay. Burks likes Jake the Snake and that kind of Python. Python's a script, this program language, scripting language, what do you want to call it? I don't know what the author. I was watching an interview with the author on the Lex show. Is that the Lex Fieldman show or something? He seemed very humble, actually. All right, so null and Python. Man, how to make an object none within an object. So del is not working. All right, I'm just gonna start it from now, just to see, make sure our one session works. So you guys can do join game if you're on Twitch. Says I should really practice harder going for some cybersecurity. Yeah, you should actually. Burks likes anything not fun. Percent of join game. My chatbot's working pretty well. It's fast. It's very fast. So this is my chatbot right here. It's very quick. I mean, yeah, this is that's actually my game object. This is it from. Oh, it's launching. Oh, you made it there, Walcott. Look at this. Look at this. For I'm pulling your icons from the internet. We'll see if it crashes. We're good still. It takes so long to pull it. Oh, Walcott's down first. Oh, person was trying to go for me. He's got me as his target. Oh, now he's got Zephyr. Zephyr's down next. Oh, Protestant and Mike D going at it. So stupid. I gotta fix some sorting. Because my stream box is a little bit. That's about the same time. Oh, you hit me. I don't know what. I don't. I'm hesitant on showing the health. Oh, get wrecked, nerd. All right, so that worked. Let's make sure there's no prints on the exiting. That looked good. All right, so let's open up the desktop chat game. Oh wait, hold on. Let's yes code. All right, so I'm gonna move this portion over here. This is the game. Come on. Oh my gosh, where do I have to click? All right, game history. So the very last game. I'm gonna actually clean this up. All right, so I did 150 damage. That was it. Protestant with the most damage. You had one kill. I need to do a scoreboard soon too. But for now, I don't need the scoreboard. I'm gonna get it so you can uh, pull this information just with commands like games or yeah, I'll say just game stats. So let's see here. Um, so to add that, right? Don't do join game right now. It's not going to work. So let's just do my game stats. My game stats. I don't like that as a command, but for right now. then we're gonna need to parse through everything. So Bricks on commentary would be amazing. Yes, it would. It'd be funny. All right, so where's my JSON stuff? I'm gonna have to just get rid of all this. This is my initial game chat bot, and I found a different one. All right, JSON. Right here, you. Oh, you know what? I need the reading one. Game history append, read. Game history, read. Okay, so we're going to above here, right here. What's a super user? Why do I have super user in here? Whatever, you're out. Am I even using super here? No. Oh, I'm probably gonna need that later. Okay. I guess I don't need path. JSON means file, so nope. Where's the Mike D selfie folder? Not here. I don't have that. It's funny though. Okay, so let's scroll down to here. Read, open file, load it, and then def game history player stats. Say get player. All right, and then we're gonna say, oh, the JSON. Okay, so we're gonna say player name. Then I'm gonna grab this. JSON object. That. And we're going to parse through it. So that's going to be an array. Sorry, thinking about this out loud. This is an array. Hold on. Oh, no, that's fine. Okay. So get player history. Yeah, I guess so. I'll have to do that. That might change in the future. For now, how many times your name comes up in a game, and then your kill, add your kills and your damage. Okay, let's just do that. So let's see. How do I want to do this? We got 4 session. JSON object. Then player data is going to be this. So we're going to say name, player stats, player history. We don't need a name. We need. Do we need a name? Let's just store the name. Name. What's up, Rupin on YouTube? How you doing? I think you're saying the name right. Rupin. Kills 0. What's up, Red Zone? Yeah, we have this week off. Red Zone, I'm so close. So close to having this being live. Kills and damage. So there's that. So for each session, then we got to say players. Okay, for player in session, I think. Let's see what this looks like real quick. Usually what I do is I just do I equals 0, and that way I can like debug. All right, so get player history. Let's go over here. Say, hey, player stats equal to that. Oh my gosh. Game history get player. Game history get players. What am I working on? So the game, but right now I'm working on the chat bot version to help like connect and stuff. Rupin, you'll see in a little bit. It's a chat bot, but that also interacts with a game that the chat like the chatters can opt in on. All right, so let's see here. So Walcus is hacks. Rupen, if you didn't know, I'm also streaming on Twitch and also Kick. On my Kick. There we go. All right, so got that session object. All right, game history. Do we need to do anything here? No, we don't. All right, so I'm gonna restart the chat bot. Watch what my chat bot says when it connects. We are in. All right. So I can say my game stats, and it's gonna do stuff. And it crashed. That's what happened. Oh, missed an argument. So I need the display name. Rerun. I want to call it. What's red zone over on Kick? Nice. All right. So my game stats. Boom. We're in. So what does this data look like? Here's a session. The first thing is okay. So then the session has okay. So I think I'm doing this right. So if data, how do you, let's see, Python dictionary key exists. I always forget what to do. If it has key, okay, so if name in data, do that. And then if, I don't like this super long thing, if data and name is equal to player name, we got our man. Starting. Rupen says, "Is it terminal game or something like?" No. I'll show you in a tiny bit. Rupen. Actually, here I'll hit the play button over here. Actually, I'll play, yeah. Actually, I can't hit the play button. I'm not sure what's going to happen. No, it's actually not. It's like a top-down shooter, and it's just like AI that you put attributes in, like attribute points in, and then it's just like deathmatch. Whoever wins wins. And it's right now just one weapon, but eventually there'll be pickups and stuff. But it's like a mini top-down game. How do you like the? How do you make it in random sequence or always Mike D wins? it's 100% random. Everybody has the same health. Everybody has the same weapon, the same weapon damage, etc. So I'm not winning all the time. All right, so I'm gonna type in my game stats again. That didn't find anything, so that sucks. Let's try that again. So data, what is data? Boom, that's fine. It's not going to be in there. So data, name. Oh, I forgot to put dot keys in here. We are in. My game stats. All right, so it crashed. All right, so I did something wrong. If what's going on here? So list has no object keys. Oh, if it has keys, how do you say? What? Hold on. How did I mess it up? Messing it up. Messing it up. Okay, so data looks like this. I don't want that breakpoint. Oh, if data has keys, how do you? Wait, no, it does have keys, so that's fine. But the next one through, oh, it's an array. So, boo. Which I think. All right, so Python check if variable is an array. Not in NumPy. Oh, length. So if, I wonder if I can do this a little bit better. Right now, I know that the data is going to be the second object. So let's do this. We're going to session our session. Oh, I can't do like that. So for session that, for data in session, is the second one always? Sorry, second array. No, there. So we just got to do if is an array. All right, so if length. So if length of data is equal to 0, not player array, player stats array. Continue. All right, Walcott, no worries. Let's restart. All right, again, let's go in here real quick to make sure this works. My game stats. Is the font too small? Should I increase the font? Oh, it's also because I'm remoting into my other computer. All right, so the length is, oh wait, data length is 2. So that's not going to work. Length is 2. So what is length here? It is 2. Shoot. So not that. So we need to go into, stop. Not a big fan of this not working. So this basically acts like an object of size. This is an object of size, but it's not an array. Wait, I didn't check. Let's start it again. Sorry, talking out loud. Okay, so my game stats. we could assume that the first one's always going to be the session. So let's do that. Let's go. Oh, I can enumerate, right? Oh, I got to enumerate in the session. All right, and then I is that. So if I is equal to 0, this is the info. Continue. All right, so then when we're on, then we can assume for now. There we go. So we're going to say player stats is equal to data 0 and weapon stats. Or session stats. Session player stats. Oh my gosh. Player stats and weapon stats. Data 1. All right, so let's look at what that does. And because I want my breakpoint to hit. Okay, so we are in my game stats. So there we go. There's Mike D and weapon stats is an array. So stats array. Okay. That's better. We can say if player stats name is not equal to player name, continue. We don't care. There's that. Now we need to. So we have the player. Now we need to get the player history, which is this player history. Get that already. Kills and damage. We don't care about the weapon yet, but we're just going to keep it there. Player history. Kills. Plus equals. Player stats. Kills. And damage. And then break. Return player history. There we go. So theoretically, we're going to send a command or send a message back. Actually, yeah, message is equal to nope. Bot name prefix. Hold on, I saw DM in here somewhere. I just want to fix that chat. I think that was it. Okay. Here we are. Okay, so we're gonna say that. Then we're gonna get the player, the user's name. You got kills. Total kills. Player stats. Kills. Should be comma. Total damage. All right, so there we go. And then we're going to say, all right, that should be it. It's going to work like magic. No bugs. See? I wish it could be formatted. So now, Zephyr and Cat Walcott, you can do the same thing. Oh, is that slash? Total kills, total damage. Do pipe, double pipe, single pipe. You can just add more. All right. Your game stats. So that works with you too, Evan Zero, which is great. Actually, that's a good test. Thanks, Red Zone. Let me restart this. All right. So, Red Zone, you want to join game? Why don't you start it? Type join game with exclamation point in front. Anybody else in Twitch can also join game. Oh, Protosan's back in it. Actually, Protosan, you can also do exclamation point my game stats now. I think we're gonna. Should I just make it my stat? No, I got to put everything with game or something. I think for now. So yeah. All right. So I did. It works. Okay. Cool. I didn't see that. Rupin, you have to be on Twitch for this. I'm not. I don't know how to interact with YouTube yet. This is my first time making a chat bot and everything. So I do want to get everybody involved. So that'll be a thing. Yeah, your logo. I want it. I'm gonna have it replace the head. If the logo is found, it's gonna replace the head. So that way. Oh, Protosana and I are going at it. Oh no, Red Zone and I are going against Protosana. Oh, you took damage. I think we both took damage on that one. Name IW underscore Mike D Rupin for Twitch. Oh my gosh. Oh, I didn't switch over. That's interesting. I didn't switch over to red zone on that when I went by because it's just basically a distance check. Oh, there goes Protosana. Oh, red zone for the win. So that's that. Now type in my game stats. Should just work. Oh, I should have how many matches you've been in. That's a good one. I'm gonna add that into the stats. Name. Oh, we can't break. Okay, so we have a bug here. I have a bug. It's not doing total because of this break. Oh no, the break's fine. Plus equals kills. All right, we'll test that theory. Games equal to 0. I'll restart this and we should see this in a sec. $100 health per person. It's always gonna be 100 health. Unless you're Mike D. Just kidding. I haven't done that. But the damage is always 30, and that's going to change. I'll make that. So there's a bug there. That's not really a bug. It's going to be like you did 30 points of damage, even though the guy has 90 or 10 health left. So that means you did 20 extra damage, and so you shouldn't get credit for that. So I'm going to fix that up. So games played. All right, I'm gonna restart the bot, and that is up. We're in my game stats. Total games played 2. Total kills 1. Total damage 240. All right, so yeah, does that make sense? Yeah, it does, because my previous one I had 90 damage. So that makes sense. Thinking this needs to be a dash right here. And total games played colon. Total kills colon. Just formatting stuff. All right, so red zone, try doing my game stats, or anybody else can do my game stats. It looks okay. Oh, what's up, unknown 69? How you doing? That's a good test though. I'd like to see how it looks with zeros. All right. Okay, so there's a bug right now. If I type in join, oh wait, no, there's not. Let's do join game. Oh, what's up, Ruben? How you doing? Join game. Go for it. It's got a 30-second window right now. I can change that easily, but right now I got 30 seconds on there. So what's cool that I have going on here as well is that I'm gonna have this run overnight and see what happens. See, it's like taking up the full screen there. So that'll be a thing later on. Oh wait, hold on, it crashed. Let me see what this crash is. Well, the game shuts down, so it's like, hold on, unauthenticated object, self. So this happens sometimes, and it's basically a failure on the Chrome driver. So we'll have to do this again. But let me see if I can find this bug. Update spawning run threading. So this right here crashes. It sucks. All right, let's try this again. Let me restart this. All right, so go ahead and join game, guys, when you want. So the polling of the information. So there's basically, here's the chat deathmatch game. So when I poll your head information, I wrote this like Twitch image getter thing, and this part fails sometimes, and I don't know why. I have it in a try, but I'll have a certain exception, so I need to figure that out. So far, so good. it crashes again, it's fine. I'll have to just dive more into it. So this part takes a while. I might be able to thread more of it, but I don't want to like cause more driver issues. See, it just crashed. Who was the last one I was trying to go for? Santa. And you've been on there before. All right, so that's annoying. It's me not understanding how this part works. So let's see if we can. Let's solve this. I need a Python. Try with any exception. All right, so let's just do this. All right, so when that happens, we need to return, right? Accept and not try anything. Oh, maybe that's actually what's happening. It failed. Did it fail? On the log. Oh, I do. Look for red zone. And no print for you. Okay. So I think it was just because there was a certain exception I was handling. All right, I need to change this over on my local machine as well. Make sure the code's the same. Hold on. I'm going to do this slightly different. Oh my gosh. Finger's not working. All right. Let's do that. Go back here and do that. All right. Boom. We should be able to join game. Let's see. Let me see what happens when we join game. I think. So this is bug. We need to fix this as well. If anybody's a Python expert, what's up, El Meow Meow? Hey, down. Is anybody a Python expert on chat, especially dealing with removing objects, making them none? All right, so 30 seconds. Join game if you want, guys. There you go. Unknown. For the guy on YouTube, Meow Meow, or in Sid over on YouTube. How you two doing? I'm making a chat game, but it's right now only working over in Twitch. I'm restreaming on Kick, Stream, YouTube, and Twitch. So we got 4 people able to join the game. So let's see what happens. I'm gonna read the info. So you shouldn't get ahead if it fails. Page loaded. Fine. Protosanta. See what happens with Protosanta. Protosanta got in there too. Oh, we're going for Wolf. We're going for Wolf. Oh, Wolf's down. Red zone's down. Oh, I didn't join game. How funny. You can run, compile, plug. Yeah, so this is so Protosanta for the win. I'm gonna try to kill her in this chat. Cool. Nobody got a crash. So yeah, if you haven't messed with chatbot, Wolf, I made one yesterday for my first time. I call it IOBot, but that's just because I already had a bot class. So now everybody has game stats, my game stats. Wolf, if you want, I can send you. Oh, I didn't watch a video. Actually, I'll send you a link now. Where was it? Uh, started. Quick start. All right, so here's a very quick start link. So it's all is the main thing you got to do if you ever are curious about it. This was I made my own very own like socket reader. I stopped doing that. Um, is this one? That line is the only thing you actually need to import. The rest you don't have to import. The rest is just for me. Like I want to import JSON and stuff like that. And then that page that I sent you shows you exactly how to start it. The one thing it doesn't go over very good, and so maybe you might want to clip this portion after I mention it, is the config portion. So there's an inner config that I made, but it's a config file. I can't show it because it has personal information on it. But just config, that import config file right here, import config. That's a local file I have, and it has the authentication token, and it has a username, and that's it actually. So I made an inner config that basically points to some information, which is just this user IDs, and so you can pass that in here. But the rest, config channel, config authorization token, and that's it. You need this prefix for the commands to work. That's it. And then the rest of the bot will work for that quick start. All right. Cool. So we got that working. So there's a bug here, Wolf, that I'm trying to figure out. Do you know, Wolf, actually, do you know Python very well? Because I don't know how to remove an object from within itself. That's what I want to do. Kind of like self delete. I tried delete self. That doesn't work. Basically, I need this object to be none. That's what I'm using to like hold the chat deathmatch data or session information. And I want it to be like, okay, when it's done, it's ready to go again. Like one, I've not found anything online, which is very annoying. All right, let's see here. The little game is cool. Um, capture. That's mine. All right, I'll have to look at that later. Let's see here. All right, so I need to fix this bug. Python. How to destroy an object. All right, well, I'm just going to do this. I'm going to make it so when delete happens, okay, cool. That's a spam site. Thank you, internet. All right, so relaunch. All right, you guys can join game. Ends now. It did not. So did not delete self. Son of a gun. Oh, you guys are teaming up on me. That's not cool. Oh, this is a close one. Oh, Wolf for the win. Correct. All right, so that did not work. GG's. That's right. Remember, my game stats works. It's pretty cool. It's pretty interactive, huh? Even with just a few little things. Out of 4 games, you only have 3 kills. That's interesting, huh? See, man, it sucks. I need to fix that. I'm running out of ideas. All right, let's see here. How do I want to do this? It's 120. It's actually 120 per kill. But you've done damage and missed a lot, that type of stuff. So not every 30 damage per projectile on that gun right now. That's going to change. All right, so oh, if this is none return, would that hit? All right, we're gonna rerun this. We're gonna have to do join game again. I want to see which one this one hits. So return. That's not gonna hit. Cool. Oh, did I run into some bullets there? Proto Santa for the win. Let's go. Okay, so oh man, right here is when it returns. I don't like that. That should have returned. Sorry, thinking out loud. Maybe that's not a bad thing because this is a thread and it's running. Okay, so that might be okay. that file. I can do exec stuff now because I'm not restrained to Python 2.7. So delete self. See, delete self's not working. Does self equals none work? Does anybody know? I'm gonna try it. It's only one, right? And self is none return. That makes sense. Let's do print here. All right. Restart it. All right, we can join game. Actually, somebody else can start it. Look at you with your 570 damage. You're gonna be like the top damage. I'm gonna make a leaderboards one too. Should I do leaderboards by? It has to be by kills or by wins. I guess I can do one for each. Leaderboards, kills. Oh, top. It should be top 3 only. Top 3 kills, top 3 winners, top 3 damage. So that seems simple enough. I'll write that next, actually. Game leaderboards. Boards, yeah. Mono e mono. 1v1 me, dude. How many breakpoints? Boom, boom. Oh man, took 3 shots. The nads. FU Proto. All right, so let's see if self is. Damn it! I thought it worked, but it didn't. All right, so self none is not working. Okay. Python cannot del self. Self-deleting class. Here we go. Del destructing is not deleting the class. This is deleting the name that appears to refer to class if there's no other references for the class. And that any module. So hold on. I could do this. I could make this saying reset itself and just keep it going. That's not a bad idea. So let's do this rather than remake this one. Def reset. Sure. Just gonna say reset. We're gonna do this. Self.bot bot is fine. It's gonna always be there. It's never gonna go away. Self.run. Set up and run. I'm gonna have to say reset and run. So this should work. So this is one option I can do. Not a big fan of it, but not terrible either. Then we need a running flag. Boolean, so self.running is equal to false. And then if we are, somebody says join game, add players right here. If return username chat death match in progress. Should I make it so people can't join a match on the last 3 seconds, or should be able to join with the last 3 seconds? Join game, it's Burks. Actually, did try joining it because it's still a command. I don't test arguments. I've tried the other way actually. Do it's Burks and then join game with like exclamation point. I'm curious what that does. I'll do it. Oh, you did. Oh, cool. So it only does it at the first. The command has to be in the leading. All right. Let's close that. All right. So I'm going to restart this, and this should just work now. We should be able to do this indefinitely. All right. Join game. Three, two, one. Okay, so that's weird. Why did it do that? Why did it print that out? That's never happened before. Great. Did I copy it? Oh, it's going to run multiple instances. It. That's weird. I stopped the chat bot. Oh, it actually killed everything. Sorry. All right, so hold on. How did that work? What did I have here before? Because wasn't it waiting for this thing to finish? Run thread. Reset and run. Boom. Run. Oh, let me see what's happening. Okay, so join game. I need to eat. Damn it. Let me go turn on the oven, but let me watch this first. See what's happening. Oh, hit my breakpoint or reset and run, which is called from. Okay, makes sense. Oh, it's getting called again. From where? Run thread. Oh wait, what the? Oh, that's return. So we're returning out of that. What? Okay, hold on. What? So if it's less than that, we're doing. So we're running that. I wonder if I should kill the thread. I think that's what I need to do. Oh, how do we? All right, that's probably what's happening. So Python kill thread. Python check if thread is running. Is alive. Okay, so if self that thread is alive, self thread dot stop. Hold on. Let's see. In general, a bad pattern to kill abruptly. Let's see what happens here. This is all about how you debug and try things out. So that just crashed. Cool. I'm gonna say self that thread. Well, self that thread is not. That's not how I want to do it. Okay, here we go. We're going to do reset and run. We're going to say death. Wait and reset, I guess, for right now. Be very explicit. That reset and run. I assume. Down here. If we ever get that state, it's going to be bad. But all right. Okay, cool. Game. You don't have to join game. I'm just testing. one. Failed. Oh. So this thread's still alive. Flip close, run threader. But that thread's gone. All right, again, testing this whole async IO. I've never used it before, so not sure what to expect. That. This is running. Event loop is okay. You don't have to join match. 3, 2, 1. Boom. So run thread. Do I have to return true or false or something? All right, hold on. Time to read up on this. Async IO. Event loop. It's running loop. Returning that. End it. All right, let me go make some food. Be right back. All right, I'm back. All right, so let's see. So the thing here I want to do is I think, let's see, hold on, let's wait till so run the future. Oh, this is completed. The instance is completed. Return results or raise exceptions. So I think I do have to return true. I think I do have to do that. Let's try that. Okay, we are in. If I could type right. All right, 3, 2, 1. Wow, that's darn it. It's until run until complete though. Run thread. How do you? There's no return. I'm so confused. Why is this not working? Maybe I just close it myself, but that seems bad. This should work. You can add, change, refactor how you want. So let me see here. So results that async gather routines. What? Routines is consume API for. Know what I want. Common mistakes in using Python async IO. All right, let's read this. In a different event than is created is Hmm. Wait, do I need run instead of start? Okay. No, I guess not. I need to start. All right, so no, you're fine, Proto. I'm actually trying to work on getting this thing to work properly because it keeps looping. So I'm gonna actually stop it. Like, this is a very bad way of doing it. I don't think this is the right way to do this, but let's try it. Self dot thread loop. That. And then we're going to say, hey, thread loop is dot close if that thread loop is none, not none. That's fine, actually. All right, so let's see what happens here. Oh, I forgot you're still over there. Oh, hold on. Is it 5 minutes? I need to go put my pizza in. I'll do that after I look at this one test. Run the event loop until the feature is done. That's not working. Very good. 3, 2, 1. Cool. Cannot close a running event loop. Okay. Maybe stop. Man, I don't like this method, but we're going to try it. One more try, and then I'm going to go put my pizza in. Try again. I hate it when I'm like in a quick iterative loop. Makes it prevents me from actually doing other things. Like putting my pizza in. Oh man, it didn't stop the task. Darn it. All right, this is not working. I'm gonna have to really read up on that sync thing. All right, be back. All right. It'd be join game, but don't do that yet because I'm working on it. I gotta fix this reset thing. I'm gonna read up on complete walkthrough. No.